Hi kids, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to see a very interesting lesson in Unit 5. It's nothing but Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny. So you all know that the meaning of bunny. Yes, it will have very beautiful ears and a good teeth, big teeth. It will eat more carrots and a very nice beautiful animal, and also it colors a very, it have a beautiful color on its skin and it features, okay, very nice features. So today we are going to see something interesting about the funny bunny. So let me introduce the characters in this lesson. Funny bunny, okay, it's a rabbit. Henny Penny. Henny Penny. It's a hen. Oxy Foxy. Oxy Foxy is nothing but a fox. Pussy Goosey. Pussy Goosey. It's a goose. Cocky Locky. Okay. Cocky Locky. It's a cock. So these are all the main characters in this lesson. Okay. Now, shall we see the lesson? One day, a nut fell on the funny bunny. Okay, look at this picture. This is the brown color nut. It fell on the head of this funny bunny. Oh, the sky is going to fall, said the funny bunny. So what happened? This funny bunny is closing its eyes and sleeping under the tree or dreaming under the tree. You all know that in the previous scene, the nut fall on the funny bunny's head. But what the funny bunny is thinking, the sky is going to fall. You all know the meaning of sky is going to fall, right? It will happen. So imagine, children, the rabbit is thinking that the whole sky is going to fall on its head. So it should say this activity, this work to the king. Okay, so it had a plan to say this to the king. So it started moving. On the way, he met Henny Penny. On the way, he met Henny Penny. As I have told, Henny Penny is nothing but a hen. It is saying to its friend Henny Penny, Henny Penny, the sky is going to fall. Come on, come on. Like that it is saying. So what they both are going to do? They both are going to tell this information to the king. So Henny Penny is giving commitment. Come, let us go, my dear funny bunny. I too will come. Okay, I'll come too. Like that, that Henny Penny is giving commitment to that funny bunny. Okay, yes. Now they both started to walk towards the kingdom. On the way, they met this Cocky Locky. Look at this picture. Cocky Locky is also there. This Cocky Locky is nothing but a cock. And they both are saying what happened. The sky is going to fall. And we both are going to inform. Come, come, come along with us. Like that, they are calling the Cocky Locky. This poor Cocky Locky is also ready to inform this to the king, as if it believes that it is going to happen. So, who are all going to see the king? Who are all going to meet the king? The funny bunny, the rabbit. Next, the Henny Penny, the hen. And the third one, Cocky Locky, the cock. So, they all are walking towards the kingdom. Now, on the way, they met a Pussy Goosey. Okay, Pussy Goosey. So Pussy Goosey also giving commitment to the Funny Bunny. Come, Funny Bunny, I also will come along with you. We all together walk towards the kingdom. So on the way they saw this Oxy Foxy. On the way they saw this Oxy Foxy is nothing but a fox. So this fox is asking, "Hi, friends, where are you going all? Where are you going now?" Like that, this Oxy Foxy is asking. Now, these animals saying that, see, this, look at this funny bunny when he was sleeping under the tree. He was sitting under the tree. There fell under, when he was sitting under the tree, the sky was going to fall like that, the funny bunny is saying. So we all going to the king and we are going to say that what happened, like that the Wooksy Foxy, to the Wooksy Foxy all the animals are conveying what happened, like that. So this Wooksy Foxy is saying, "Oh, we are going to tell the king. Come, the king lives here only. I knows where the king is. Come along with me. I will show you the way." Like that, this Wooksy Foxy is encouraging all the animals and taking along with him. All the animals followed this fox. And that was the end of the Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey. So you all know why it was the end, because this Foxy ate all the animals all together. Okay, so here comes the end of the story. So I think children, the story was very nice because it was very interesting to listen all these names. Once again, I will repeat the story, children. Funny Bunny was sitting under the tree and a nut fell on its head. What the Funny Bunny thought, the sky is going to fall. So it informed all the animals, collected all the animals and it was going to meet the king. So on the way, it saw a fox and the fox very cleverly ate all the animals. Okay. So from this story, hope you understand, we should not believe simply everybody. That is the first moral. And the second moral is we should think in a proper way and act accordingly. We should behave in a proper way and we should be very clever. We should be wise everywhere. Okay. I think this is the moral of the story. You could also have collected these things from this story. Okay. So if you have more ideas, you can also share in the classroom. Okay. Okay, children. So can you name these animals mentioned in this lesson, children? Yes, I think you are correct. I'm getting more answers from your side. You are listening and answering all these animals' names. That is Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky, Oozy Boozy. Correct. Yes, children. Can you tell the name of the cleverest animal in this lesson? Yes, obviously it is fox. So can you answer this question to me, my dear kids? Yes. One day a dash fell on Funny Bunny. Yeah, a nut. Correct, children. Who said these words in the story? Ouch, the sky is falling down. Can you give the answer, children? Yes, it is none other than Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny wanted to tell to whom? Funny Bunny. Yeah, children. Hope you understand and enjoyed this Funny Bunny along with all these animals. And we should be very clever. That's what we have learned from this lesson. Have a great day. Bye, children. Thank you.